Bamboo shoots or bamboo sprouts are the edible shoots, new bamboo culms that come out of the ground, of many bamboo species including Bambusa vulgaris and Phyllostachys edulis. They are used as vegetables in numerous Asian dishes and broths. Benefits: fermented bamboo shoots can be used as functional foods as they are rich in probiotics. Probiotics have roles in epithelial cell proliferation and differentiation, and the development and the homeostasis of the immune system. When consumed, probiotics produce many health benefits such as antioxidant, anti-cancer, reduction of blood pressure, help in weight loss and prevent cardiovascular diseases. Bamboo shoot may help preventing constipation. Bamboo shoot is high in dietary fibers and water. This combination helps speed up the transit of food in the digestive tract, preventing constipation. Bamboo shoots are nutrient-rich foods. The vegetable is a good source of potassium, vitamin E, vitamin C, B-complex vitamins, iron, phosphorus, fibers, minerals, and several types of amino acids. Bamboo shoots are a good source of edible fiber, which helps in lowering the blood cholesterol. Bamboo shoot helps prevent constipation due to its high fiber content. The high content of potassium in bamboo shoot helps the proper functioning of the nervous system and regulates blood pressure. Bamboo shoots have been proven to help with weight loss for those who are overweight and obese. Bamboo shoots can also benefit your heart health due to the phytonutrients and phytosterols, which are responsible for reducing lower density lipids, LDL, cholesterol in the body. Bamboo shoots can also be great for boosting the immune system due to its vitamin and mineral content, which might also help delay neurodegenerative diseases. Possible side effects: there might be some individuals that are sensitive to bamboo shoots. IgA antibodies to bamboo have been identified in people with asthma, atopic dermatitis, and rhinitis. Bamboo shoots are considered goitrogenic, meaning that they may affect the thyroid gland in sensitive individuals. The consumption of raw or fermented bamboo shoot may lead to toxicity when not properly processed and prepared. The presence of cyanogenic glycosides may lead to cyanide poisoning. Properly processing and preparing fermented bamboo shoots may include peeling, grinding, boiling, cooking, soaking, drying, and fermentation. Quantity recommendations: bamboo shoot can be consumed in the daily diet. It is recommended to consume 1 serving per day, which is approximately half a cup of the vegetable. The recommendation for preparing bamboo shoot is to peel them and boil them for at least 60 minutes before using them in any dishes. This process is efficient to remove toxic substances from the bamboo shoot. Fresh bamboo shoots contain toxic amounts of the cyanide taxiphyllin. To reduce it, the shoots must be boiled or soaked and dried prior to consumption. It is recommended that you don't consume bamboo shoots in excess due to the high fiber content, which could lead to acute health problems such as abdominal cramps, bloating, temporary weight gain, and diarrhea.